Hello, my friends, and welcome to the CCU Cooped Up Kids Corner. Yes, we're all cooped up in our houses, but that's why we're going to bring you some fun videos every single day. We know that this is a different time. We're spending a lot of time away from our friends and away from school, but it also gives us a chance to spend a lot of time with our families and a lot of time at home connecting with people in different ways. So we thought we would try something different. So you're going to be able to connect with your CCU family right here through our YouTube and our Facebook page. All right, so every single day we're going to be posting some fun videos. We're going to have some crafts, we're going to have some meditations, we're going to have some games, we're going to have all sorts of fun things that you can do. The first one today is a photo challenge, so let's start getting our cameras ready. I'm going to share with you everything that you need to do. So take a look at this here and I will explain.
All right, so you'll want to combine as many things as possible into one picture for the most number of points. Only one photo can be submitted for each kid or teen. Now, kids, have a great time taking the pictures, but remember, only adults can be in the photos. And you have until 8 p.m. on Sunday to post these pictures into the comments section. We are excited and looking forward to see what creative things you come up with. Now, if you forget the number of points, don't worry, because we're going to go ahead and post all of this information for you in the comments section. So feel free to look below and you'll get to see all of this information.
All right, so you got it. That is the first picture challenge. So go ahead and start getting ready. Remember, no kids in the pictures, all parents or all adults. So we're excited to see what you're going to post. Now remember, these videos are going to be posted on the Facebook page, Christ Church Unity Orlando, and we are also going to be putting them on our YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, turn on your notifications so every time a new video comes out, you're going to get an alert. All right, we are excited to see what you start posting. Don't forget every single day to check out our new videos. See you soon. Bye-bye.